Hey guys, Clark from AutoGuru. We're here with Beck at Varsity Lakes Mechanical to find out what makes them consistently one of our top shops here on the Gold Coast. Beck, you're getting awesome reviews on the AutoGuru website.
Yeah.
What sets you apart from the competition?
We think that it's because our customers find us relatable. We're just a hard-working family doing a job that we really love. And we also try to keep a really clean, transparent environment, which I think is really a point of difference.
Yeah, and it's a husband and wife team here at Varsity Lakes Mechanical?
Yeah, it is. So my husband's been a mechanic since he was 16, so 24 years experience. So yeah, come and meet him.
Excellent. G'day Tom, nice to meet you mate, nice to meet you. Look, we were just talking about the reviews you're getting on AutoGuru, over 145-star reviews.
Yeah.
So what's your secret?
Yeah, we was always explaining to the customer what we're going to do to their car so they know exactly what they get for their money.
Excellent, and there's a pretty consistent message in the reviews on AutoGuru that you guys are sort of going the extra mile. Can you just tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, we do courtesy lifts, so we drop our customers home, pick them up, we leave a little thank you gift in the car, and we do all of that while trying to keep our prices really affordable.
Sounds amazing. So there you go guys, if you're looking for a independent family-owned business with years of experience, book your next service in with Tom and the team here at Varsity Lakes Mechanical and they'll look after you. Thanks very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.